Hey, what's up, guys? I've never really done like an unboxing because there's always so many of them out there, but I've never really seen one on this product that I'm about to show you right now that I'm super excited about getting. It's a 60-volt FlexForce stick edger from Toro. So I'm gonna do an unboxing on it. Why not, right? Hang in there with me. Okay, I didn't want to hold you for all of the removing the box and all those pieces and things like that. So, did that part already. Here is the equipment. Wow. Let me put my gloves on. All right, I'm putting these suckers on because I do want to touch that blade and see what's what with it. I don't know. Yeah, the edges don't look sharpened, so that's interesting. It has this flap here to keep things from flying up and hitting me in the face, I suppose. It feels like a leather strap, a 60-volt, 20-amp battery. And what I find interesting is that it doesn't come with your normal charger that stands up. It comes with this here that plugs into the wall. And then, guessing you charge the battery like that, which I'm fine with that. I think that's a space saver, honestly. All right, and the only other thing is the handle. This looks like it's gonna be pretty simple to put together, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. All right, well, I'm done putting it together, and honestly, the hardest part of this, and it wasn't even hard, it was just time consuming, was these 4 screws that's in the handle piece here, taking them out, which they're in there pretty tight, and then putting them back in, all with this little Allen wrench. So that took a little bit of time, and I'm now done. It was super easy to put together. So yeah, this thing looks pretty sweet. I don't know if you can see this blade here. Has the wheel on it. As much as I want to go out there and just kind of test it out, I'm not going to. Have to wait until the spring for that. But at least it's unboxed and ready to go. So quick, simple, to the point. I will let you know how well it does in the spring. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.